Are you worried that wearing wigs will make your hair fall out? Let's bust that myth today. It's not the wig, it's how you wear and care for it. The idea that wigs cause hair loss is like saying hats make you bald. It's just not true. Sure, if you're wearing super tight installs or low-quality wigs, you might run into trouble. But guess what? High-quality wigs and proper care can actually protect your hair. Think of wigs as a shield. They protect your natural hair from the sun, pollution, and all those nasty elements. And with the right protective styles, your hair can thrive underneath. The key? Choose the right wig and don't strangle your scalp. Opt for breathable materials and give your hair some TLC every now and then. So, next time someone tells you that wigs cause hair loss, you know what to say. It's not the wig, it's how you wear it. Stay fabulous and keep those locks healthy. Until next time, take care.